The resistance band standing row is an exercise for developing the lats muscles in your back. For this exercise, you will need a resistance band with handles that you can secure at the height of your chest in a door, a squat rack, or another sturdy surface. See the recommended equipment in the description below. First, secure your resistance band at the height of your chest. Take the handles in both hands and step back with your arms extended forward to bring some starting tension into the band. Come into a staggered stance with one leg forward and one leg back. Keep your shoulders down away from your ears and your chest pushed forward throughout this exercise. To begin, push your chest forward as you pull your arms back toward you, bending your elbows. Squeeze your armpits to increase the engagement of the lats as you pull the band back. Then return to the starting position with your arms extended forward. One time back and forward is 1 repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.